Hello viewers, today, we'll show you how to apply a maintain stock group using SQL accounting software. Maintain stock group is commonly used to categorize stock based on brandings, costing methods, product types, and to report different sales or purchase accounts in the profit and loss statement. Here's a scenario. If you sell electronic accessories such as phone chargers, USB cables, and headphones, and each needs a different costing method and account posting, you can group them using the maintain stock group feature. Let's begin. First, enter the code, then enter the description. For example, we will key in electronic accessories. Next, choose the costing method. There are 3 costing methods: fixed costing, FIFO, and weighted average. Fixed costing uses a set reference cost for each item. For example, if the fixed cost is 10 ringgit, every sale will use 10 ringgit as the cost, regardless of changes in the purchase price. FIFO, first in first out, uses the cost of the oldest stock first. For example, if you purchase 10 units at 10 ringgit and another 5 units at 15 ringgit, and then sell 11 units, FIFO will apply the cost of the first 10 units at 10 ringgit, and the 11th unit at 15 ringgit. This results in a total cost of 115 ringgit. Weighted average calculates the average cost of all available stock. Using the same example, the total cost is 175 ringgit. Dividing by 15 units gives an average cost of 11.67 ringgit per unit. This method spreads the cost evenly across all stock. Once you've selected your costing method, move on to setting your GL account codes. You can preset the sales and purchase account codes so that when performing transactions such as invoices, purchase invoices, cash sales, cash purchases, debit notes, and credit notes, the system will automatically select the appropriate account code for double entry posting. Lastly, assign the balance sheet stock account to post the closing stock value, ensuring accurate maintenance of stock value. Finally, review all the details to ensure they are accurate, then click Save. And that's it. We've successfully completed a maintain stock group. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos. Follow us on Facebook to stay updated. Visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.